Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover Mycelium wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Mycelium app on your phone. Now from over here right away you will find two options, which includes a new wallet and restore from backup. Tap on restore from backup. And now over here you can see, type in your master seed separated by spaces. So if you have a phrase, then you can turn on I have a phrase. Right, so over here you're simply going to type in down your master seed separated by master seed, which you got while creating your account for the backup. If you have simply copied and restored, you're going to go and enter that and tap on next, and you will be able to provide some of the information as it asked on the interface, and you will be able to back up your account. Now the thing that you have to remember, if you do not remember the master seed, then you won't be able to back up your previous account. So it's important. Now you only have option of going back and creating a new wallet. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.